Hi, my name is John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. The first thing we're going to do on tonight's nightcap is the new monthly draw. There's 800 and odd names in the bucket now. I've personally sent everybody that sent in an email to say they're in there. I've wrote all our names out, and then Deb's, God bless her, has sat there, cut them all out and folded them all up, and she's actually going to do the draw now. This is the package for this month's free draw. First thing is an Extreme Plasma drinking mug. Extreme Plasma sponsor my YouTube channel. There's also a double boost hat, beanie, made by the same guy that makes the plasma tables. There's some double boost stickers. People keep asking about stickers. I have got some stickers now. There's a set of Cleveland drills from 1mm to 10mm. I bought quite a few sets of these. They don't seem to be giving them away. They're all good drills. I use them myself all the time in the workshop, so you get a set of them. There's also a nice little Federal half thou indicator.
Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. As most of you know, I'm Deb, or Deborah, John's other half. Welcome to tonight's draw, John's monthly draw obviously. So these are your prizes on here, and your winner is there you go, Robert Canal?
Right, Debs, that was great. So all you have to do is send me an email with your address on, and I'll get that stuff posted off to you basically anywhere in the world, completely free of charge. All these names remain in the bucket. If you want to go in the bucket and have a chance of winning next month's draw, all you have to do is send me an email containing your name, your full name, like John Mills, not just John. That's my email address up there. Your name will go into the bucket, and next draw we'll have another collection of prizes. It'll be the same. There'll be a hat, a cup, a set of drills, and whatever else I get given or whatever else I find to give away. It'll be a clock gauge or possibly a micrometer, whatever turns up is what I'm going to give away. All this draw is a little way of me saying thanks for all the help and support I've had over the years with the YouTube channel. I really do appreciate it. In the first part of this week's video, I've got various different bits and pieces going on. I think the first thing is I had a run down company to a small engineering firm, a guy there who specialises basically in box-fed lathes, a lad called Mark Lord. I bought a box-fed lathe cabinet of him to refurbish, to put the little mayfed lathe on. And in a couple of hours crack with him. He really knows his stuff about box-fed lathes, so if you want to know anything about box-fed lathes, he's the guy to ring. Anyway, went M6 heading down towards Preston to pick up a cabinet for Deb's new little mayfed lathe. This is the VSL version of the box-fed lathe. It's the lathe I've always wanted. Very similar to the AUD I had, but much better spec. Much heavier spindle. Of course, variable speed. Basically the ultimate box-fed lathe. And this one's in remarkable condition when you think how old it is. This is the lathe cabinet I bought. It's actually a cabinet for a long bed box for the AUD lathe. I have also got the 3 cupboard doors. That side was where the motor was originally fitted, the underdrive motor. I can put shelves in there. This side's already got some shelves in. Really is a heavy, strong, robust cabinet. That's a drain for the coolant. There's also a sludge tank underneath there. I will be going to clean it up, get some coarse discs, take the paint off and give it a coat of probably Mayfad grey paint. But the lathe will go on there quite nicely with loads of room to spare. The lathe comes up to about there. It's ideal because it'll have the storage, but I'm getting a little bit tight on room now. Even if I do decide to sell the lathe when it's all finished, this really adds value and usefulness to the whole package. I've got a small job to do for a friend of mine. He's bought a new lathe and the tool rollers I've supplied are too high. He can't get the tool down at the centre height. These are basically bang good tool rollers and they are hard. I've machined them before, they really are hard. So I'm going to have a go at these using, once again, another bang good milling cutter with coolant. All he wants is 4mm taken off the bottom of there. That still leaves a good 8mm, so that's plenty of thickness on. Touch the depth off first. By hand. Z axis is locked off. On 8mm cut. Cutters unmarked. So that's cheap carbide versus an even cheaper tool holder and the carbide one. This is like a Chinese sort of brass door catch, broken across there. I've already silver solded it once, but I silver solded the bastard on the wrong way around. So I've cut it off with a junior hacksaw. I'm going to have to silver solder it again. And he wants to know if I can put a little bit of build up on it because it is a weak point. It's not good material. I'm going to use silver solder. I've got the camera on this time, so we'll have a little go. It can always end up in a disaster, but you never know, it might work. I think being able to repair it once was lucky. Trying to do the bloody thing twice. I've got some silver solder paste. I've also got some coated silver solder. silver soda with flux already on. This is good stuff. Put a little bit of flux on there, and then we'll use oxypropane flame and see what we can do with it. It'll take quite a bit of heat because that's quite a lump of brass, and obviously the vise is taking some of the heat away. I've actually got it mounted on my camera mount here, on my Noga mount that I use for my camera. It's the only thing I can think of to hold it in position. Like I say, flame here, I think I say this will take a fair amount of heat. It did the last time. Brass normally melts at like just above dull red. And silver steel that's quite a bit before then. It's actually starting to melt that edge there. We'll put some more heat into that bit. Just about where it's going now. This is where you've got to be careful, because all of a sudden you're left with nothing. See, I'm trying to put a little bit of a build up on it for them, because it is a weak point. Now we've got some heat in. Turn the flame down so we've got a more subtle flame. I think it's jiggling into it. There's enough heat to fuse it, but not enough to it's all over the floor. Very fluid, the silver solar. It's not like wanting to build up. I've got to put the doors up as well here because it's nasty fumes for this flux. It's not good for you at all. It didn't used to be bad for you, but now it is. I've got some world silver solar, which has got cadmium in it, which is really bad for you. But the trouble is it's excellent silver. I'm going to keep that for a really important job. So turn the roller. Should have run all the way through, hopefully. You see there what I've used to hold it. The camera mount. A little bit more in the back of here will be nice, without melting the whole job. Just about on the front of the solar melting. You don't want to put too much heat into this. A little bit of build up on there is what you wanted. Just knowing when to stop. The silver solar is very fluid. The idea is it runs into a very fine joint. That's what it's used for. Right, I'm going to stop, because if I don't stop, the bastard will fall off. I had quite a few people ask what torch I use for silver soldering. That's it there. Runs on oxypropane. The tips are different to oxyacetylene tips, designed to hold the flame a lot more stable. You can use oxyacetylene tips, but these oxypropane tips are much better. That's it there. I used to use oxyacetylene, but the acetylene ran out and I just didn't want to start renting another bottle.